In this video, we'll be replacing the cabin air filter in this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be located behind your glove box. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. We're going to start off by opening our glove box. Now typically there would be a piston down at this side here. Our piston is actually broke, but you would take a tool and pop that off the little knob that's down the bottom. So we're going to move our piston up out of the way for now. The next step is going to be empty your glove box. And you'll find a door in the back. There's two little push tabs, one on each side. Go ahead and push those down, and you can remove that door. Gives you access to a fuse panel, as well as behind here in this area, your cabin air filter access. So now for a little bit more access, if you decide to, we could take a panel tool, or your hands if you decide, and we're just going to pry in right about here. There's a couple of locking tabs on the top corner of your glove box. We're going to pop those in. We're going to do it on both sides, left and right. And now our glove box is free to swing all the way down, but it's going to get stopped at a certain point. What we can do from here is pull towards us and remove our glove box. There are a couple of notches here, and we just remove them from those pegs. So we can now put our glove box aside, and we have plenty of access. So now we have access to our cabin air filter access door. There's a tab on the inside. I'm just going to squeeze that tab and pull our door open. Sometimes that tab can be a little bit of a pain. And now go ahead and remove your door. And what you'll find inside is your cabin air filter. Go ahead and pull that out. This one can definitely be discarded. So now we're going to take our new cabin air filter. We're going to make sure the airflow is in the right direction. And in this vehicle, we're going to spin it. And we're going to slide it into position. And then we're going to take our door. Now on the door, on the passenger side, there's going to be a little notch here that we're going to line up and seat in place first. And then we're going to swing our door closed. So now we can go ahead and put our glove box door back on. We have two areas at the bottom that need to lock into these pins or these poles. All right, so we're going to align those first. Now sometimes what helps to align these bottom pins is if you want to, you can pop this bottom piece off. It'll give you a little bit more room to align these bottom pins and just push in. Once you have those pins aligned, we can just go ahead and close our glove box about 3/4 of the way. Want to see if it is going to line up okay? It looks like it's going to be good, so we can go ahead and drop it down. It will now stay in on those locks. From here, we're going to put our little access door back in place. It's going to go in with these two tabs on the bottom first. And we're just going to push it up and lock the two tabs on the top. Now from here, we also have a piston on this side of our glove box on the bottom portion. The piston is actually broken, but at this point, if yours wasn't, you would want to lock it onto that pin. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and put your stuff back in your glove box. Close your glove box. If you've removed this bottom piece, you can go ahead and reinstall that now. Just going to line up this center pin. If your back has come out of place, go ahead and line this up. There'll be a slot under there that you're going to feed this into first. lift it up, go ahead, push it into place, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.